Bombay. It was under the Western India Motor Union. About the Women's Rally, we were again the first one to organize this event many years back. That was from Mumbai to MB Valley. And after that, we have been organizing this event for a long time. Every year we go ahead with the events. It is only women. About 5 years back, we held a rally where even the police constables, the ambulance drivers, doctors, surgeons, everybody were women. This year it is a TSB rally again, which we do, so you are not going fast, it's from control to control. And Simran will be able to explain you more on this. If there are any questions, I am available to you. In the meantime, I'll ask her to explain how this event is run.
So, thank you everyone first of all joining to the WIA, Western India Automobile Association. And sir has already given the explanation about the history of WI. As we are a 106-year-old, so we always focus on the safety parts are very important. So we represent into road safety, but we see to it whatever event and activities which we are doing it should be formulated into the same pattern. So one of a kind event which we always, it's an annual event which we organize in association with JK Tyres. They are the presenting partners and the title sponsor for us, who focus more on the part of a TST, time speed distance calculation, where we want more people to come into motorsports, especially women into motorsports. ये एक ही जगह है जहाँ पे the amount of a women category is less. So right now we are promoting that more over every year by doing certain slot of an event into a time speed distance calculation. It's not about speed, it's about formulating the regulations and taking you to the various route and enjoying the women empowerment. As we are saying, this year the main concern for us was to promote the commit to life. As ministry has taken every year, like 5 years, there's a decade of action which is being taken down by the Ministry of the Government from the Road Transport, where the minister take a oath and focus on the road safety part. As we are part of it, so this year we have a tagline known as hashtag commit to life. So commit to life, it doesn't mean it starts at one place only, it's at the various chapters. So I guess we are on with the questions. If you have anything, please ask us and we'll be happy to answer you all.